Good morning children, welcome to my class. Today we shall continue lesson 9. This is addition and subtraction in your maths class. Okay, today I am going to teach you horizontal addition and vertical addition. Horizontal means straight in a level and vertical means you can say erect or upright, in an upright position or in an erect position. So horizontal, I just now said you that it is flat or in a level we are going to do, or straight also you can say. So first number is 7 plus 6. You see here, first number is 7 plus 6. Okay. Now you see children, when we are going to do vertical addition, we are going to write tens and ones we will write. Okay. So only one digit is here, so we are going to write here ones. Only O is enough. By O you can understand that is ones. Okay, no need to write O-N-E-S ones, only write 4. Now you can draw also. If you want, see here it is already given that make your drawings. Whatever drawings you want you can make already. A ball is given, so let us make 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6 equal to 13 and 7 plus 6 equal to 13. See, if we are doing horizontal addition, we are doing in a straight way, answer is coming 13. If we are doing it in erect way, 7 plus 6 it is coming 13. Okay. Next one is 8 plus 4. See number 2, let us do 8 plus 4. In a horizontal way we are doing, in a straight way we are doing, or in a flat way, whatever you can say. And this one you see vertical addition, 8 plus 4. Here also you write down ones. O you write down 8. Now you can draw your own drawings, whatever you want to draw you can draw. So let us make a start. 8 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and 4. Let us make 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So you see 8 plus 4 in a horizontal way if you are doing, it is also coming 12. In a vertical way also it is coming 12. Okay. So in this way you have to do in your copy, in horizontal addition, vertical addition, and you can make your own drawings. Whatever drawings you want to do you can make. Okay. Number 3 is 12 plus 5. Okay. This we are writing in an horizontal way, or in an you can see in an even way we are writing. Okay. 12 plus 5 in a horizontal way, or in an even way, or flat way, straight way, whatever you say. Okay. And vertical also we are going to write 12 plus 5. Now you see here 2 digits are there in 12. 2 numbers are there. So one is ones, one is 10. You write only for ones you write O, and for tens you write T. Okay. In this way you write. So 12 plus 5. Now 12, let us make whatever you want to make you can make. Let us make balls. Okay, 12 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 balls we are making. Let us make 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 12 plus 5 equal to 17. In a horizontal manner it is coming 17. Here also you see you can count. If you know how to count in your fingers you can count. Okay. 5 plus 2 is 7 here, and here 1. 17. See, both are matching. Okay. Next one is 15 plus 4. Now big numbers are coming. 15 plus 4 you have to count, and here also we are doing 15 plus 4. So here in a vertical manner we will write here ones, and here we are going to write tens. You have to write when you are subtracting or you are doing addition or subtraction. In vertical addition you have to write ones and tens. Okay. 15. So let us make ice cream sticks 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 we are making, and down 4, let us make 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you see, you let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 15 plus 4 is 19. In horizontal addition it is coming 19. Here also you see, you can count, or directly you can write down 19. Okay, because here we are adding and we are writing. We are not counting on our fingers, we are not counting. Okay. So you see 15 plus 4, 19 in horizontal addition. In vertical addition also it is 15 plus 4 is 19. See this one, 5 number. All of you please see 5 number. It is 12 plus 6. Okay. Let us write down 12 plus 6. We are going to write down in horizontal way. And in vertical we also write down 12 plus 6. So here you write down ones and here you write down tens. Okay. So 12 plus 6 is how much? We have to count. Now let us make stars. Let us make stars. 12 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And 6 more you make. 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 12 plus 6 is 18. In horizontal addition it is 18. And in vertical addition also it is 18. Okay. See 13 plus 4. Number 6 is 13 plus 4 equal to how much? Okay. Here also we will see in vertical addition. In horizontal addition we wrote in a straight way. 13 plus 4 equal to how much? In vertical addition also 13 plus 4 is how much? One sentence you write down here. Okay. So let us make square. 13 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, now you see, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 13 plus 4 equal to 17. 13 plus 4 equal to 17. Here also you write down 17. So children, 6 sums you are doing here, 6 additions you are doing here. Both you are doing in horizontal addition and vertical addition. You will see one thing what is common. The answer of both horizontal addition and vertical addition will be same. Okay. In horizontal addition we are doing it in a straight way or in a flat way, you can say. In vertical addition we are doing it upright position. In upright, this is known as upright position or erect position. Okay children, so in today's class you learnt about horizontal addition and vertical addition. Okay, please go through this page number, page 56. Please go through and please note down everything in your maths copies. Okay, thank you.